Hi guys, I'm here preparing this video for your comfortability so that you will be able to install the Oracle 10G Express Edition on your machines. Okay, in order to do this, I'll be sending the Google Drive link for this Oracle XE because this is the 10G version that I am sending you. Nowadays, 19C is available for you online, and for 19C, you need to provide the Oracle credentials. Those are not available with us right now. So, that is the reason why I'll provide this to you. As of now, I'm double clicking on this. It is asking me whether to allow this app for our device or not. Click S. Then it starts continuing installing the installer. It will take a minute of time. Let's wait. Yes, so now it is asking us whether to install this 10G Express Edition. So click next. So click on I accept the terms. Click next. So here it will be installed in the C drive Oracle EXE. Do not change the path. It will be created by default. If in case if you already have the Oracle installed on your machine, try to delete the complete settings of that and then only try to install this. Okay. So here I'm not changing anything. So click next. So here provide the password, and please keep in mind that this password will be the password for your system DBA, database administrator. Okay, so this password will be used for sys as well as system databases. So you will have to remind this password for your future. Okay, so here I am providing a password. I am providing all in lowercase. So then click next. So then it is asking you whether to install in this destination folder. So click on install. So here it is getting installed on your machine. Let us wait for a minute so that it completes installation. Okay, so it is configuring the database. Okay, so here if you observe, it is asking us whether to launch the database homepage or not. So if you wanted to see that, just tick mark that and launch. So here you will be provided with this database login, but anyhow I'm not using this web user interface. Directly we will go up with this installed one. Okay, so here I'm clicking on, observe here, run SQL command line, not the command prompt. It is the SQL command line which we'll be using for working with SQL. So click on this. So you will be able to see that it is an SQL command prompt. and the version that you are using is 10. So here it is 10G. Okay, so here I am providing connect HR/HR. Account is locked. Okay, let it be connect system slash the password that I have given while installing. So now observe here, you should get this message called connected. Okay, so if you get this message connected, it indicates that you have got connected to your machine of SQL. So for me, while installing, I gave the password like manager. So here also I'm giving manager. So whatever password that you are providing while installing Oracle, please do ensure that the password is provided here. And you should get this message called connected, which ensures that database SQL is properly installed on your machine. Okay, so with this, I'm exiting. So this is how you will have to install Oracle SQL on your machines for 10G. Okay, so this is the Express edition. This do not have the complete features like Enterprise edition, but anyhow, for our working sake, this will be sufficient. All the commands, most of the commands will be working in this edition. Okay, so hope you will install this by the next class to join the DBMS or DBMS lab. Okay, thank you.